Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We're diving into a really fundamental shift in how we handle our digital lives. Honestly, we're talking about the actual end of passwords and the rise of this new thing called passkeys. If you've ever felt totally frustrated, locked out of an account, or just anxious about your online security, well, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're going to break down exactly what passkeys are, how they work behind the scenes, and most importantly, why they are a total game changer for your daily life.
So let's just jump right in by looking at the sheer scale of the mess we're all dealing with. Over 100. That is the number of online accounts the average person is trying to manage today. I mean, just think about that mental burden for a second. That is over 100 different doors you need a specific key for. Everything from your main bank account all the way down to that one random shoe store you bought sneakers from like 3 years ago. It's literally an impossible amount of information for the human brain to manage securely.
Now here's where it gets really interesting. Because we are so totally overwhelmed by juggling 100+ accounts, 65% of us just throw in the towel and reuse the exact same passwords across different websites. And you know, it's human nature. We look for a shortcut when a system is just too demanding. But in the world of digital security, taking that shortcut is basically leaving your front door wide open.
Which leads us directly to this honestly ridiculous fact. The number one absolute most common password being used today is still 123456. Seriously, it just proves beyond a shadow of a doubt that the old system of memorizing passwords isn't just annoying, it is fundamentally broken. We're out here relying on a security model straight out of the 1990s to protect our most sensitive modern data, and frankly, it's failing us spectacularly.
Let's break down exactly how this broken system is failing us, usually in 3 major ways. First up, phishing. You get a fake email, you click a link to a completely fake website, you type in your password, and boom, it's stolen instantly. Second, data breaches. A legitimate website gets hacked, your password is exposed on their end, and if you're part of that 65% who reuses passwords, well, all your other accounts fall like dominoes. And third, just pure password fatigue. Nobody can memorize 100 unique complex strings of random characters, so most of us don't even try. The whole thing is a total nightmare.
Okay, so what's the actual fix? Enter passkeys. To really get how brilliant this is, let's use a super simple lock and key analogy. Imagine a padlock. In the passkey system, this padlock is stored on the website server, say Google server or Apple server. Now, here is the secret. Anyone can see this padlock. It's completely public. Even if a hacker steals the padlock from the server, it doesn't do them any good at all, because, well, it's just a lock.
And here is where the absolute magic happens. The key that actually opens that padlock, it lives only on your personal device, your phone, your tablet, or your laptop. This private key is mathematically linked to the public padlock on the server. If you don't have the key, you don't get access. And the absolute best part, your key is never shared and it is never sent online. It stays safely in your pocket the whole time. Now, I know what you might be thinking. A lot of people see the prompt on their phone asking for their face or their fingerprint to log in, and the big biometric elephant in the room pops up. Wait, is using Face ID or my fingerprint actually safe? Am I sending a 3D map of my face across the internet to some random website?
Let's put those fears to rest right now. Your face, your fingerprint, they literally never leave your device. Ever. The biometric check happens entirely inside your phone or computer. It is strictly a local action, used just to unlock that private passkey we just talked about. The fingerprint just confirms it's actually you holding the phone. Then the passkey steps in and does the actual login work. Absolutely zero facial or fingerprint data travels anywhere online.
So because of this local key system, passkeys basically obliterate those 3 massive password failures. First, they are mathematically phishing-proof. Your passkey is tied to the exact real website domain. If a fake scam site tries to trick you, your device just automatically refuses to hand over the key. Second, they're breach-proof. The website only holds the public padlock. Hackers can't log in without your physical device. And third, there is no reuse possible. Every single passkey generated is completely unique to that specific website.
When you put passwords and passkeys head-to-head, it's not even a fair fight. Passkeys are vastly superior. Memorization? With passkeys, there's absolutely nothing to remember. Phishing or breaches? Impossible, since nothing useful is stored on the server. Password reuse? Not a thing anymore. Plus, you get to skip those incredibly annoying SMS two-factor authentication codes. And the speed? Typing a password and waiting for a text code can take 30 seconds. Passkeys log you in under 3 seconds flat. It's literally night and day.
I know. This all sounds a bit like science fiction, right? A perfect, unhackable login system? So you're probably wondering, where can I actually use this incredible tech today? Is this some distant thing we have to wait years for? Not at all. The answer is pretty much everywhere. You can use passkeys right now on almost any modern operating system. We're talking iPhones on iOS 16 and up, Androids, Macs, Windows Hello, even physical security keys. And the heavy hitters are already fully on board. You can use passkeys today on Google, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, GitHub, PayPal, LinkedIn. The list goes on. There's actually a whole website, passkeys.directory, that tracks exactly where you can use them right this minute.
Let me walk you through just how incredibly fast this is by setting up a passkey on Google. It's a 2-minute process tops. Step 1, head over to myaccount.google.com and sign in the old way. Step 2, click on Security and then Passkeys. Step 3, hit the Create a Passkey button. Google will automatically do all the complex math behind the scenes to make the lock and key. Step 4, just approve it with your Face ID or fingerprint. And that's the whole shebang. You're done. Sign out, sign back in, and experience logging in with just a glance.
All right, let's do a quick rapid fire of some common questions, starting with the absolute panic inducer. What happens if a thief physically steals my phone? Do they suddenly have access to my entire life? Deep breath, they get absolutely nowhere. To actually use the passkey, the thief still needs your physical face, your fingerprint, or your PIN. Without those, the phone is basically a very expensive brick. Plus, you can easily just log into your account from another device, like your laptop, and instantly revoke all those passkeys remotely. It works exactly like freezing a stolen credit card.
Okay, question number 2. Does this new standard mean I should just go ahead and delete my password manager right now? Actually, hold off on that. You definitely want to keep your password manager for now as a bridge. The web is massive, and while the major players are totally on board, it's still transitioning. Not every single website supports passkeys quite yet, so hold on to your manager for the old school passwords, but just know you're going to be relying on it less and less as time goes on.
What about practical logistics? Say you finally decide to jump ship from an iPhone over to Android, or vice versa. What happens then? Do you just lose all your keys?
Nope. This should give you total peace of mind. Passkeys actually sync seamlessly with your underlying Apple iCloud or Google account. If you stay in the same ecosystem, they carry right over to the new phone. If you switch from Apple to Android, you just have to recreate them once on the new device. It's a super small, one-time effort for a massive, permanent security upgrade.
Now here's the really big one. Who actually created this standard? Is this just one giant tech company trying to trap us in their ecosystem? Can we genuinely trust it?
You absolutely can trust it, for sure. And that's because it's not owned by any single company. Passkeys are built on an open standard called FIDO 2. It was developed by the FIDO Alliance, which is this massive nonprofit collective. We're talking fierce competitors like Apple, Google, Microsoft, and over 300 other tech companies who all sat down together, agreed that passwords are awful, and collaborated to build this universal, totally trustworthy standard.
So let's wrap this all up with the really big takeaways from today's explainer. First, remember that passwords are fundamentally broken. They are totally vulnerable to phishing, breaches, and fatigue. Second, passkeys replace all that mess with highly secure local cryptography where your private key never, ever leaves your device. Third, that means your accounts become mathematically phishing-proof and breach-proof. And finally, this isn't some distant future tech. It's here right now, working today on your major devices. If you want to poke around a bit more, there are some fantastic resources out there. Hit up passkeys.directory to check out a massive list of which of your favorite sites already support this. You can visit FIDOalliance.org to geek out on the open standard itself. And if you need a solid password manager to bridge the gap right now, check out Bitwarden for a great open source option, or tools like 1Password and Dashlane that already have really incredible passkey support built right in. I want to leave you with a bit of a challenge. You know the old way is a massive security liability, and you know the fix is literally sitting in your pocket right now. So, my challenge to you is this. Will you take just 2 minutes this week to log into your Google, Apple, or Amazon account and set up your very first passkey? Seriously, try it out, feel how insanely fast and secure it is, and start ditching those old passwords for good. Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and hey, stay secure out there.